Like I told y'all, I will tell you when I've messed up something or made a mistake, right? So, Tundra, we did the alternator. It wasn't putting out the voltage it was supposed to. Something I've run into on this one. Put the new one in. Still not putting out the voltage it's supposed to. Ooh. Well, that's not good because it's a brand new alternator, so it should be. So we got a couple options, either a bad alternator from the factory or I missed something somewhere else. Turns out on the Tundra, I missed something somewhere else. This little fuse is number 15 under the kick panel under the driver's side. And it controls the turn signals and several other things, but it also tells the ECU, your computer, how much voltage is needed so that the alternator can put out the correct amount. Yeah, so we put an alternator in. You now know how to put an alternator in if you follow my video, but it wasn't necessary. That alternator was okay. A 50-cent fuse was our problem. Insert foot, right? Messed up, but you now know how to fix that. So I'm gonna show you where that fuse is real quick, and you can at least try that before you go and swap this alternator out on your 4.6 or 5.7 Tundra. So anyway, look at the fuse. Good luck. If you need anything, throw it in the comments and questions. Come in under the kick panel. This one's kind of hard to get to on some of them, but if you can see right there, all right, on the, let's see, it is that, I believe, no, I'm sorry, this 7.5 fuse. So it's the 7.5 right there. So that's your number 15 fuse. Pull your kick panel, pull that little cover off, and it'll tell you which one. But it's a 7.5. The fourth slot on that side, and that's it. That little bitty fuse fixed us up. So just something to keep in mind if you're trying to swap an alternator. It may not be the alternator on the Tundra. Check all your other stuff first. I made a rookie mistake and it cost me. Oh well. Like I said, if you got questions or comments, throw them in the comments, and we'll catch you next time.